Hello everybody, this is Stimmel. I'm the founder and the CEO of Manifest Mind. We're in the EnOcean studio today talking to Armin Anders of the EnOcean Alliance. Armin, you founded the EnOcean Alliance. Just very quickly tell us what it is and how it's separate. I believe there's two companies, so let's just clarify that. And then I want to jump right into what you guys are up to right now.
I'm founder of EnOcean GmbH, the company. That's a technology provider behind the EnOcean Alliance. The EnOcean Alliance is a association of the users of the EnOcean technology. So there are 350 companies together under one umbrella, which are using the EnOcean technology worldwide. There are Americans, there are Japanese, there are European companies, and they have made more than 1,500 interoperable products based on this technology, and they're selling those things all over the world. In the meantime, there have been 250,000 buildings equipped with this technology.
Okay, so interesting. So you're a technology company, but you're also, as we've spoken, in many ways, you search more for use cases and business problems that you can then apply the right technology to, right? And you're very much into building controls and automation and home orchestration, right? So tell us a little bit about how that works, how a problem you might identify, and then how you would, what kind of technologies you would apply to solve that problem.
Yeah, we are speaking a lot about smart home.
Yeah.
And the key question is what is really needed in a smart home. And a smart home is a connected home.
But let me just jump in. A smart home, you mean a home that you can orchestrate across all things for the point of energy efficiency, or is energy efficiency just a side effect of that?
It's a side effect.
Okay, great.
The smart home is for me the connected home, where you combine different things like multimedia with HVAC, with lighting control, with lights control, and so on, and energy generation, local energy generation. You combine this. This is, in my understanding, the smart home, the connected home.
Okay.
What we are today selling is 99.9% that you will operate the smart home via your mobile.
Yes.
And we made a very interesting research, and we have seen that 99.9% you operate or switch on your light still with the switch on the wall and not via the mobile. So a huge requirement.
Well, that's a really good point. So there's lots of talk about using the iPhone for orchestrating everything, right?
What are we selling to the customers, and what does the customer need?
Your heartbeats per minute, but I think you have some props here, and if you want to grab some of them, this was a good reminder. Armin brought a button. Yeah. And he's right, that's our interface, right?
That's still also in the smart home, it's a key interface, it's a button, it's the mobile phone is only, let's say, one multimedia input. This is the most used thing still. And of course we have 97% of the buildings are older than 5 years.
Right, yeah.
So you have to address, if you want to address the consumer market, the mass market, you have to address the retrofit market. In retrofit market you need a wireless technology. And so we came to the idea, a wireless switch would be a very fine thing. And if you also address the mass market and you have installations with a huge amount of wireless sensors and actuators, then the batteries get a really pain. And that's where we came in now. We had now the invention to make it without batteries. So this is a wireless switch without batteries. It's powered by your fingertip.
Oh, wow.
There's a generator and voltage generator inside. If you push the button, it generates electricity to power the radio.
All right, so that meets the cool factor. Well, let's get back to the original point you made to me, which is we're interested in solving real-world problems and then finding the right technology, right? So you're showing me this cool thing, But tell me about the problems that actually helps solve. That all your
a
suite
smart
of
home, a connected home needs sensors and actuators.
Okay.
That's the fingers and of the brain. Yeah, we are always talking about the brain and how to control the pain via
Right.
tablet, but the brain needs sensors, needs actuators, a huge amount of. At every room, at least one. Only to control the lights, then you want to control the blinds, then you want to control the HVAC, you need other things, a temperature sensor or something like that. This is, for example, a temperature sensor in that case. You need the sensors and actuators for sensing and actuating the smart home to provide energy efficiency, to provide safety, to provide comfort.
So we just have a few minutes left. So let me ask you a question, really a clarification. If I am a utility that's going to look to do work with you? Do I make technologies? Do I write software? I'm a platform provider. Who are the people you're talking to and making a difference in their business?
We speak to our customers. Our customers are the EnOcean Alliance members. Mm-hmm. They are integrating our technology in their components. This is another cool stuff here. This is from Philips, the U-tap to control the bulbs. They have also recognized that it's important to do this not only via the mobile phone. Switch on the wall is always available. So these are our customers, and they make also the system integration and provide whole system solutions to the end customers, like utilities, like wholesalers.
Okay,
like
so you're not just the cool things. You're looking at the home orchestration problem, coming up with an end-to-end solution, and then helping customers get that done.
Exactly.
Great. So thank you, Carol Stimmel with Armin Anders, the founder of the EnOcean Alliance in the Engerati studio. Armin, thank you so much for joining us today.